Over the past couple of weeks, we've had customers that are concerned about wheelchair transfer height. Now, one was a young couple and another one was a senior couple, so we're looking at two ends of the spectrum as far as their needs. But I wanted to make a really quick video of a adjustable base that we offer that caregivers really love. And then also mention the fact that all our adjustable bases, the height is very adjustable, and we can definitely make whichever mattress in our store the 24-inch transfer height. And that is the transfer height from a wheelchair to either a chair or a mattress. That's what makes it easier to do. So I mentioned that our adjustable bases are adjustable height as well as adjustable head and foot. The way that works is the legs come in 4-inch segments. So I can go anywhere from a 0 leg to almost a 12-inch height on the leg itself. And that adds up a lot of times to either a 28-inch height on the mattress. Some people like it as high as 32 inches. For me, that's way too high, but these are taller people, so what can you do? However, if you're looking for something specific such as wheelchair transfer, you're looking for a firm 24 inches, so that way the slide over height is easier. Doing that, we are fully capable of doing that with any of our adjustable bases. Now we move on to the other end of the spectrum, and where our senior customer needed help was a member of their family that is going to be bedbound, and they already are planning because they already know, there's a stricken illness or whatnot, but the caretaker will need access to this person, and the person, that will be wheelchair bound. So what they're looking for is a 24-inch transfer height, but also an adjustable base that will lift to a height where the caretaker can care for them without breaking their back. And those of you that are CNAs and nurses or whatnot know the dangers of back injury when you're caretaking. It's rough on your back when you're having to lift somebody up. Well, we sell an adjustable base from a company named Flex-a-Bed. We've sold several of them, and the way they operate is they come down to the height that you need. You transfer over, and then you can raise that side of the bed if you're using a split king. I'm using a split king as an example here. You raise that side of the bed to be equal to the height of the other mattress, or you raise it higher to be at a good caretaker height, so that way they can do what they need to do without bending over and hurting their back. The Flex-a-Bed HiLo is a specialty product. We were lucky enough to find them at a show, and we've been lucky enough to be able to help our customers with it. And I don't think I've spoken about it enough because evidently there's a bigger need than I was thinking. With customers coming in like that, I'm shocked that we're starting to see that trend. We go through trends. So we've had people with fibromyalgia and nerve issues, and now we're seeing people that are needing transfer height mattresses and transfer height bed frames and everything like that. I just wanted to make this video to let you guys know that we are fully capable of helping you with that and keeping your bedroom safe. If this video has left you with any questions, please feel free to email us at info@livewellfurnishings.com or leave a comment below so that way we can share the answers with our community, because I'm sure a lot of people are going to have questions. Thank you for watching the video. If this is going to be helpful to someone you know, please share it so that way we can get the word out, and that way we can let people know that they don't have to hunt around for hours for answers. It's actually here and we can help them. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.